Hi, today we are looking at 3814 Princess Court in Lawrenceville, Georgia in the Braes Mill subdivision. This particular community is well established. Most of the homes were built around 1983, 1984, and it's just a very nice, quiet subdivision, very conveniently located to Interstate 85 as well as Lawrenceville Highway, Highway 29. You can enter the subdivision off of Pleasant Hill Road very easily. This home has a great sunroom and an adorable park-like backyard. Let's go take a look at it. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home is great with a really nice front door, a cute wet bar area, and an open floor plan from the family room with the rock fireplace, and you can see the dining area. Look at this cute addition of a sunroom that the seller did years ago. It has a couple of skylights, lots of light, and you can see the adorable backyard. There are also some French doors that lead from the master to the sunroom, so we can check out the master bedroom. The kitchen is open to the dining area, and you can see that there is so much light in this home. It is really a very comfortable home. What a nice park-like backyard. It's fenced, pretty trees, ivy, and take a look. You can see the sunroom from the backyard as well as the brick paver patio. Let us know if you'd like to set up your own private showing, because I don't think this one will last long. Thanks for joining us.